Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Friends, today we are going to review our FEB expert advisor, that is Forex EU Blaster. And this expert advisor has been specially created to trade Euro USD. However, we can trade GBP USD and various other currency pairs as well. But right now we are just focusing on Euro USD, and the minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor is 1000, and the suggested capital or the recommended equity would be 1500, 1200 to 1500. 1500 would be ideal. Okay, so right now guys, like what you are seeing, like it is the month of October and November, the first week the US elections are going to happen. And these days, due to geopolitical tensions and various other factors, wars and all these things, market is very unstable. And also due to the upcoming US elections, the market is very unstable. Market, like various Forex pairs or the indices, they are selling off, and a big crash is going to happen and is currently happening as well. So lot of volatility is still to come. Okay, so I would highly advise this time that please use proper risk size or use proper risk management. And also better, like if you can like pause the trade before 2 weeks of the US elections and after 1 week of US election. Okay, so let's start from here guys. We are completing 6 months this week, so that is the reason I'm creating this video. And probably I will pause on this expert advisor as well, because I do not want to take unnecessary risk. And because I know that a lot of things that are not in control of an expert advisor later on. Okay, so we started with 1000, and as I said, we have completed 6 months this week, because today is 17th of October, and from 15th of April it's 6 months. Okay, so let's start from here guys. Okay, so everything I'm showing it from start, like everything is from start. Like as you can see, you can focus on the lot size, you can focus on the profit, you can see everything over here. Every trade has been closed by the expert advisor itself without any manual intervention. Guys, why I'm suggesting you to pause on trades or maybe stop trading for a while, because there are a couple of things that are not in the control of an expert advisor, because war situations or the US elections, or there are various other factors, geopolitical things and all, which are not beyond control, and they cannot be coded. Okay, they cannot be predetermined. So better to risk on rather than risk off. Okay, I hope you know like what is risk on and risk off. Anyways, this is the current situation guys. We have made 742 in 6 months. Okay, and let me show you the current trade history as well. There are currently few trades going on, and let me take you to the MyFxBook. So here is the MyFxBook page of EU Blaster. Okay, and you can see that we started from April 15th, and today, if you see, it's 17th of October. Okay, and the maximum drawdown that has been went so far within these 6 months is 43.24, and the monthly return is around 9.38%, and daily is around 0.30%. Okay, and you see, this is the growth graph, this is the balance graph, this is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. The maximum drawdown, we saw it in August. Right now, the US like the Euro USD pair is going very down, very down, and very down. But still, our EA is managing it very well. And okay, so this is the drawdown graph, and this is the growth graph. So these are the statistics. Today we just made around 1%. This week, I mean, no, we just made 0.09%. This week we made 0.88. This month we made 3.90. The month is still there. Okay, and this year we made 74.19% so far. And if you would like to see the monthly gain, in April we started and we made 8.71%. In May we made 9.63%. In June we made 9.23%. In July we made 7.25%. In August we made 10.51%. In September it's 8.66%, and in October it's 3.9% so far. Okay, so the month is still there. Okay, anyways guys, if you have any questions about this expert advisor, that is FEB expert advisor, please you can telegram me on a DPNTFX, that is there mentioned in the video description as well. You can just check it out. You can also email me, and the email address and the link to connect with me on Telegram is there in the video description. You should mention the name of the expert advisor, that is FEB expert advisor or Euro Blaster. FEB, it means Forex EU Blaster in short. Okay, so I understand that which expert advisor that you are talking about, because there are many expert advisor, a few expert advisor that we are working with, and right now we have generally stopped all the expert advisor except this one, because we were completing 6 months. And this is the advice for you as well, because this is the time when you can just look out the market and take the minimum risk as less as possible. And guys, I wish you very success in the Forex market. And for any queries, feel free to contact me on email or Telegram. I would love to respond to you or assist you in case if I know and can assist you better. So thank you very much, guys. Stay safe, stay happy with your family, and enjoy your upcoming weekend. Take care.